Alright guys, so this is the SUP little Mistral PaddleBoard. We just bought the second one, so we will be unwrapping it now. And it weighs 10.8 kilo. It has a pedal, backpack, water resisting bag, seat for kayaking. Let's see, what do we have here? So this, we have the seat to put some stuff at the back. We have the Mistral pump. This is for the legs when you do the kayak. And this is the pedal. It's two-side pedal. This is a repair kit, the water resistant bag or water splash bag, the leash, and finally the paddle board. 9 pieces in one package. Actually 10 pieces for one package. Okay. We have the Mistral compressor here. It's 2 chamber and 1 chamber. Here we have the extension of the hands. This is right. When we are inflating the paddleboard, we should use first the double chamber. We'll pump whenever we go up and down, and at the end we will use a single chamber, so we will measure the compressor, the PSI. So I will just move to double chamber. I will start with the middle part. The middle part, ideal is to pump it at 0.8, 0.9 PSA. And we close. This is what's in the repair kit. This is the leash. So I'm gonna deflate paddleboard. To deflate it, you need to push down and turn. This one, I push down. I went outside to this lake to try the paddleboard.
That's amazing.
How what? Stay, I will make you panorama. I think I need taller paddle. This is not so tall somehow. Huh? Yeah. Say stop, yeah. Claudia's still measuring. Yalla. Don't panic, okay?
Let's go to the other side. And then
Yeah?
continue there to Claudia. Let's make it a circle. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, okay. But you know what? I forget the safety for the GoPro. The safety yellow bubble. Yeah, if it will fall, it will fall. So, let's go. Like a trail, like a trail. One by one. Like a trail, one by one.
Claudia has already some...
Oh, you're carrying a rope? Aha. So, follow me. I'm the boss.
You have both grass.
What?
You have both grass.
Really?
Yeah.
Fuck. Can you take it off? Please. Okay, I will stop.
No, I think it's on your this paddle, you know? Wait, I don't go. No.
Go. It didn't go? With the other part, maybe.
working.
With this part, maybe.